simple CC. If you don't know what a CC is, that's a customer complaint or customer concern. Tire warning light is on, fixed. And I did confirm the light is on and flashing. So next, check the sensors. All right, we're gonna keep it simple. Scan all the sensors. Bam. Okay. It's a Toyota. It's a Yoder. Now, Yoder starts with T. Here we go. Toyota Corolla. There's a Corolla. So 6 of them 13, so it's a 2013. Bottom one. Okay. I'm gonna scan all the sensors. Alrighty. Good there. Uh-oh, didn't have the problem already. Alright, no sensor. No sensor worky there. Let's move on to the next one here. We'll trigger this one now. Trigger. See how quick that was? And the last one. See how fast that responded? Alright, so the right front, this one does not have a full-size spare might have a sensor in it, but it's a Corolla. Alright, so I need a sensor for the right front. Have you seen this thingy in your shop, usually over by like the tire machine, and wondered what it's for? It's for hubcaps. Get it back behind there and pry. There you go, and pry. Especially with these Toyota hubcaps. Be careful with them. These things are like made out of hopes and dreams, okay? Easily shattered. Especially them little ears, man, they break so easy. Treat it like it's made out of glass. See, look, that's a piece of hubcap right there. That's a piece of hubcap right there. See? Like you got 21 on there. I'm gonna knock this rim off. The way this one is, this collar right here actually threads into the sensor. And if you take this collar off, it comes off, the sensor will actually fall out. So I may be able to take this one off, replace this sensor without removing the whole entire tire. We're gonna try that, but right now, what I've got a situation going on back here. Look at that shit. I gotta wait till he's done before I go back there. Okay. So I can take this here. That goes to the compressor. There we go. That being rotate it around. Nowadays they got this thing lined up here. Rotate this thing out the way. Rotate it over here. Press it down, and I can get my sensor out. Now I'm gonna take this grommet off. The sensor that'll fall out. All right, see, I pried it down. Loosen that grommet off. Pull it out here, just drop it down. I take this new one. Take this sensor apart. Press the button right there. Okay. So what I generally do is I'll push this tire down. You got it like that. Thread it on. Make sure it's threaded all the way down to the bottom, because if you do it halfway, it'll snap the daggone thing in half. I've done that before. Push it on through. I'll pry this down and clip it on. Turn. Slide. Get it down in there and then clip it on there. Now we're going to go to position relearn, OBD relearn. You go through and scan all the sensors again. Yeah, you just follow the directions from that point on. And go around and scan each one, even the new sensor, and it'll have you plug in the device to the OBD reader. It'll write all the sensor numbers to the car.